So I captured some kind of creature in the holy city of Jerusalem while looking at the time lapse yesterday. So I'll show it here. And when I enlarged the picture, I saw like details, some kind of creature. Never seen anything like this before. So you see it here, a creature. We have creatures in our skies, flying. This was flying near the building, this creature. And you see his head, this is the head, you see his antenna. Like this is insectoid. You see here the body of it. So I've never seen anything like this before. Here we see the explosion. I believe this is UFOs who caused these explosions in Jerusalem yesterday. Nobody's talking about Jerusalem, we are talking about Gaza all the time, but we see that Jerusalem is being bombed almost every day. No talk about that. Of course, it will cause casualties, and nobody talk about that because we know that supposedly the Israelis are bombing Gaza, and they are not bombing Jerusalem, but the UFOs are doing that, so they don't want to say. Saw it. So here you see.
Not Gaza. This is yesterday. So Jerusalem has been bombed.
So don't come here and tell me this is a fire in the forest.
This is a fire in the forest.
It's been going on every day. I'm looking at time lapse Jerusalem. You see smoke coming up from the holy city. I suspect UFOs killing everyone, Jews, Muslims, Christians, in Gaza, so the hostages, nobody's care about them. It's about killing. So here we see the
holy city of Jerusalem. You see the sky.
You see the UFO that I have captured.
Jerusalem is bombed. Nobody talks about it. All the talk is about Gaza, Gaza, Gaza.
So this is the Holy Land is on fire, not Gaza only, and the fire will expand. We know the Red Sea is locked up.
Nothing on the news.
Nobody can get to the Red Sea. The ships not allowed to the Red Sea.
You cannot see this.
And war is talking about war in the Red Sea. Who will control the Red Sea?
Jerusalem is bombed.
So
nobody dares to speak
you don't
about
get this news anywhere.
You see, people. You see? So
it will happen suddenly. And nobody will know about it. You will have everybody will fighting against everybody. You see this coming up, this smoke? This is black smoke. This is not forest fire. This is chemicals or weaponry being bombed. Is this UFO? I'm doing that? Maybe. We have one more UFO to show. This one. So I put this one on the thumbnail. So you see here, this cannot be anything else but an UFO. So